Hi, my name is Kevin Krupp with PropaneManifold.com. We're out on a site right now working with a customer who has a house that used to run off propane. Everything in the home is now converted to electricity, but the customer still wants to use propane for the fireplace. So he got an estimate. This unit right here is about $800 worth of fuel. Not something he needs right now. Just showing you. It has a first stage regulator coming out of it with a rigid line. This was actually before the code was updated to have 10 feet distance from the tank to the home. So the customer would have to relocate this tank. Currently it's about 7. So another reason why he's going with a propane manifold system. So it has a first stage regulator feeding over to the second stage, which is filling into the home and heating all the, powering all the heated appliances. For what we're going to do for this customer is we're going to come out here, we're going to set 2 blocks. Customer wants 200-pound tanks sitting out here, manifolded together, feeding into this line. This is a copper line going in for the fireplace. So I think this should be a pretty simple project and saving the customer a lot of headache going with a propane manifold system. So if you ever have any questions, come check us out at our website, propanemanifold.com, and maybe we can help you too.